Achilles stretch is a wonderful pose for the first chakra and great to target a very specific area. Starting on your knees, step 1 foot forward so that the foot is right next to the other knee. Sit back on the other heel, interlacing the fingers in front of the knee, and just gently lean forward. You can adjust the foot back a little bit further if you can go more deeply into the pose. Or you can place the hands down on the ground in front of you for more support. Now switching to the other side, we'll come out by placing the hands in front and switching the shins. Stepping the other foot right next to the opposite knee. Getting into the Achilles and ensuring that that foot is directly underneath the opposite hip. Breathing, gently stretching. You don't want to be too aggressive here. Increasing as you need to. And when you're ready, come out of the pose and take a rest, enjoying that sensation. Great work.